If you're looking for a nutritious and delicious juice to add to your diet, look no further than Gourd juice. Gourd is a squash high in fiber, vitamins, and minerals. It has many health benefits, including reducing inflammation, boosting the immune system, regulating blood sugar levels, and preventing cancer. Here are some of the best health benefits of Gourd juice. 1. Gourd juice can help boost the immune system. The Gourd juice is rich in vitamins and minerals. It is a good source of vitamin C and B and minerals like potassium and magnesium. It makes it a great juice to drink for overall health and vitality. Vitamin C is a crucial nutrient for supporting the immune system. It helps the body to fight off infections and diseases. Vitamin B is essential for energy production and metabolism. Potassium helps to regulate blood pressure and maintain healthy heart function. Magnesium is involved in over 300 biochemical reactions in the body, including muscle contraction, nerve transmission, and blood sugar regulation. Juicing Gourd is a great way to increase your intake of these essential nutrients. These vitamins and minerals also offer other health benefits. For example, vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant that can help to protect the body against damage from free radicals. Free radicals are molecules that can cause cell damage and lead to disease. Vitamin B helps to convert food into energy and supports nerve function. Potassium is essential for maintaining fluid balance in the body and preventing dehydration. Magnesium helps to relax muscles and ease tension. If you are looking for a juice packed with nutrients that offer various health benefits, Gourd juice is a great choice. 2. Gourd juice can help to reduce inflammation. Inflammation is a natural response of the body to injury or infection. It helps to protect the body by promoting healing. However, chronic inflammation can lead to heart disease, arthritis, and cancer. Gourd juice has anti-inflammatory properties that can help to reduce inflammation throughout the body. It is due to compounds like cucurbitacin and beta-carotene in Gourds. Cucurbitacin is a compound that inhibits the activity of inflammatory enzymes. Beta-carotene is an antioxidant that scavenges free radicals and prevents cell damage. Drinking Gourd juice regularly can help keep inflammation under control and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. 3. Gourd juice can boost the immune system. The immune system is a complex network of cells and organs that work together to protect the body from infection. Gourd juice can help to boost the immune system by increasing the production of white blood cells. White blood cells are the cells that fight off infections. They are produced in the bone marrow and circulate throughout the body. Gourd juice contains compounds like cucurbitacin and beta-carotene, which stimulate the production of white blood cells. These constituents make Gourd juice a great drink if you want to boost your immune system. 4. Gourd juice can help to regulate blood sugar levels. The blood sugar levels in the body are regulated by a hormone called insulin. When there is an imbalance of insulin in the body, it can lead to conditions such as diabetes. You can prevent this ailment by consuming foods that help regulate insulin levels, and one such food is Gourd. Gourd juice can help keep blood sugar levels in check and thus prevent diabetes. This squash contains a type of fiber known as pectin, which has been shown to help regulate blood sugar levels by slowing down the absorption of sugar in the body. You can never go wrong with adding more fiber-rich foods to your diet. Pectin is a type of soluble fiber found in various fruits and vegetables. It has been shown to help regulate blood sugar levels by slowing down the absorption of sugar in the body. Gourd also contains another type of fiber known as lignin, which helps lower blood sugar levels by increasing its time for the sugar to be absorbed into the bloodstream. 5. Gourd juice helps to improve digestion. The digestive system is responsible for breaking down food to absorb the nutrients into the body. When there is a problem with digestion, it can lead to various health problems such as constipation, diarrhea, and abdominal pain. Gourd juice can help improve digestion by increasing the amount of water in the intestine and stimulating peristaltic motion. This squash is also a good source of fiber, which helps bulk up stools and make them easier to pass. You'll be feeling regular in no time. 6. Ash gourd juice helps to prevent cancer. Cancer is a disease characterized by the abnormal growth of cells. There are many different types of cancer, but they all have one thing in common: the uncontrolled growth of cells. Ash gourd juice can help prevent cancer by inhibiting the growth of cancerous cells. This squash contains a cucurbitacin substance, which has been shown to have anti-cancer properties. Cucurbitacin works by interfering with the cell's ability to divide and multiply. This act helps in keeping you cancer-free. In doing so, it prevents cancer from spreading and growing larger. 7. Ash gourd juice promotes weight loss. If you're looking to shed a few pounds, ash gourd juice can help. This squash is low in calories and high in fiber, which is essential for weight loss. Fiber helps to keep you feeling full longer, so you're less likely to snack in between meals. And since ash gourd juice is low in calories, it can help you create a necessary calorie deficit for weight loss. So drink up and watch the pounds melt away. 8. Ash gourd juice reduces stress and improves sleep quality. We all know that feeling of being stressed out. Your heart races, muscles tense up, and your mind goes a mile a minute. If you're looking for a natural way to reduce stress, look no further than ash gourd juice. This squash is high in magnesium, a mineral that has been shown to help reduce stress and anxiety. So next time you're feeling overwhelmed, reach for a glass of ash gourd juice and take a deep breath. Ash gourd juice can also help to improve sleep quality. If you're having trouble sleeping, try drinking some before bedtime. The magnesium in this squash will help relax your muscles and calm your mind to fall asleep more easily. You'll be getting to sleep in no time. 9. Ash gourd juice improves skin health. Your skin is your body's largest organ, and it's essential to take care of it. Ash gourd juice can help to improve your skin health in a few different ways. First, this squash is high in antioxidants, which help to protect the skin from damage caused by free radicals. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can cause oxidative stress, which leads to wrinkles and other signs of aging. Antioxidants help to neutralize free radicals and prevent them from causing damage. Ash gourd juice is also high in vitamin C, essential for collagen production. Collagen is a protein that helps to keep the skin firm and elastic. Our bodies produce less collagen as we age, leading to wrinkles and sagging skin. Vitamin C helps to stimulate collagen production, so drinking ash gourd juice can help keep your skin looking young and healthy. So there you have it. If you're looking for a delicious and healthy way to improve your health, give this squash a try. Your body will thank you. These are just a few of the many health benefits of drinking ash gourd juice. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have, please subscribe to this YouTube channel and don't forget to give this video the thumbs up. And I'm sure you're going to enjoy this next video on how to clean arteries with green tea. Thanks for watching and bye for now.